Hey guys, JT here with a quick unboxing and look at some Lipo batteries. I know a lot of people always ask what batteries do I use in my cars and stuff. And recently I switched batteries over. A lot of times before I'd use the RC Gear Shop 2, 3, and 4S Lipos, but RC Gear Shop is no more. So I've been searching around for some very good and cost-efficient batteries. And you guys know I went to Power Hobbies and got some from my low-C 3X LE. And those were some 3S 5200 milliamps 50C Lipo batteries. I got them from a company called Power Hobby, not Tower Hobby, Power Hobby on eBay. And since I have an 8S X Max now, I was looking at some more batteries from them, and they have a couple of selections. So what I have here is, I'll go ahead and open this up real quick, is some 4S Lipos. Now, I can use these in my X Max, but I can also use them in my low C, because you guys know that I run 4S in my low C as well. And I'm very curious to run these against my Gens Ace as well, just to see performance-wise. And these should perform a lot better, a lot higher C rating and a higher milliamp rating as well. Sorry, that light's probably blinding you guys. So these are some 6500 milliamp 100Cs. Now, I've never had 100C Lipos batteries before, so I'm kind of excited to see how these perform as well. I think the highest I've ever went was like 60C or something like that. But they have several, excuse me, I'm losing my voice here. They have several options out there. They have, I think it's some 5200, 55,200 milliamp, 50, 60, 70C and stuff. So they have a different variety, but I got this right here because, like I said, I've never had any 100C Lipos, and the milliamp rating is going to be perfect for what I'm trying to run in this X Max. They do offer different connectors. They offer it in the XT90. I think I saw some EC5s and also some Deans, but they don't offer it in Traxxas connectors, which hardly no company does but Traxxas, because the Traxxas ones have the balance plug built into the connector, and for me, I just don't get those because that limits me to what I can use those batteries in as far as charging and stuff like that. So if you want to charge them, you have to have like a Traxxas charger for it. And if you have a car, you'd have to have a Traxxas connector on there to kind of run those on there. And if you want to try to clip them and solder a different connector, you better be good at soldering because those balance cords are built into it. So anyway, these are good. These are going to be what I'm going to run in my X Max 8S. Get that thing going and do some serious running with that truck. It's one reason why I kind of got that truck, is to really start doing more bashing and stuff like that with it. So I got two sets of them. These are mainly going to be for the X Max. I'll end up getting more different batteries from them because I've been satisfied with the performance I've gotten from the other batteries I've had from my low C. So I'll be switching over and probably running these for a while going forward and stuff, and getting the different 2 and 3S Lipos and also different milliamp and cell ratings as well. But one thing I do is I do check my Lipos when I first get them to see how balanced out they are. And I just have basically put this up real quick. Have my balance checker here, and you guys see that this is pretty even. It's balanced. 3.78 each cell and then 2 cells of 3.79. So that's good. Because sometimes you get new batteries and they are all off whack. I've seen that happen maybe once or twice. And the second set is just like that as well. So these are all good. I'm going to charge these up and get these running in this X Max really soon, and doing some videos of this as well. But just want to let you guys know. And these ran $189 shipped. So most of the 4S Lipos I saw were like, I don't know, about $100 or so or something like that. That had this C rating and this milliamp rating. They were a lot more expensive, so I thought this was a great deal. They also have some like 5200 50Cs for like $119. That's shipped for free. You're normally going to get them about 2 or 3 days, but want to let you guys know about this. I know a lot of you guys ask me about Lipos and batteries. This is what I'm using going forward. And I'll start trying to do more unboxings of some of the other stuff that I get as well. Some motors, ESCs, and doing some tests and stuff like that with them, just so you guys can kind of stay in the loop and kind of what I'm running with things and some of the things that I'm seeing out there and some of the deals that I see as well. So anyway, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.